Prayer is a skill that needs to be honed through practice. One key aspect is maintaining a focused and controlled imagination. Empty displays or repetitive gestures have no place in genuine prayer. Instead, it calls for a calm and peaceful state of mind. Avoid mindless repetition, as true prayer is a private communion with the divine, and your Father, who sees your sincerity, will openly reward you. Ceremonial rituals often associated with prayer are mere superstitious additions meant to add a sense of importance, but they are not essential to the true essence of prayer. Many practitioners of prayer lack knowledge of the underlying laws that govern it. They mistakenly attribute the outcomes to ceremonial rituals, confusing the superficial aspects with the true essence. In reality, the foundation of prayer is faith, but for faith to be truly effective, it must be combined with understanding. Faith alone may lack the necessary potency, but when infused with understanding, it gains the active quality required for meaningful results. In the past, electricity was generated through friction, without realizing that friction could also be generated by electricity. However, it is known that all transformations of force are reversible, regardless of whether man can achieve this reversal. For instance, if heat can create mechanical motion, then mechanical motion can also produce heat. Similarly, if electricity can generate magnetism, magnetism can also produce electric currents. The same principle applies to other phenomena, such as voice causing undulatory currents and these currents being able to reproduce the voice. This fundamental law of cause and effect, energy and matter, action and reaction being interconvertible is of utmost significance, as it allows for predicting the inverse transformation once the direct transformation is confirmed. If you can envision how you would feel upon achieving your objective, then conversely, you can determine what state of mind would lead to that realization. The instruction to pray with faith, believing that you already possess what you desire, is grounded in the understanding of the law of inverse transformation. If your prayers are answered and you experience a specific feeling or state of consciousness, then in reverse, that particular feeling or state of consciousness must also lead to the fulfillment of your prayers. Since all transformations of force are reversible, it is crucial to assume the feeling of having already attained your wish. Awaken within yourself the sensation of being and possessing what you previously aspired to be and have. One way to achieve this is by immersing yourself in the joy that would arise from accomplishing your objective. Through contemplation, allow yourself to live, move, and exist in the state of feeling that your wish has already come true, the feeling of the wish fulfilled. If you can assume and sustain this feeling, it will inevitably manifest in your reality. This principle elucidates why faith is considered the substance of hoped for things and the evidence of unseen things. It explains why one calls things that are not seen as though they were and why unseen things become seen. By assuming and persistently maintaining the feeling of your wish already being fulfilled, you pave the way for its physical manifestation in your life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more insightful content, and leave your comments below. And as always, remember to hit the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming videos. Until next time, may your prayers be answered, and may you manifest the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching.